remember is when you go back, you don't go back like this, You have to move your shoulder. When you move your right foot, you move your right shoulder together, and then left, and then right, and then left. This is the main point. And when you go back with this music, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you come back again. 1, moving your shoulder. 2, 3, 4. Again, back step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, 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 back. When you go down with your right hand, your left hand remain up, and when you go down with your left hand, your right hand remain up. So these things you have to do it in the right way. 1, my left hand is up, then right. Now you turn. 4 step. 1, 2, 3. I repeat again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, we have to go inside with the 8 steps. In total, there are 10 steps, but 8 steps we will keep walking, and 2 steps we do right and left. You will see. So we offer first 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right and left, and 1, 2, 3, and again we offer first right side. 1 we offering on the right side, left, and then we have to go out again with the 8 steps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then right, and then left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So the most important thing is when we open the circle, try to always remember that inner circle should open very small and outer circle more, so that we can see a very clear 2 circle. Okay, so here we do right offering, again we offer, and we have 8 steps again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Tashi lani tashi dele shoye tashi sho lula na zemen pakya. Remain in your place. Remain, don't move. Now you move 2 steps. 1 closer to your partner, 2 closer to your partner, and 1, 2, 3, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4 step back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tashi sho. 1, 2, 3.
Teri lani Tashi Monlam, Tashi用个绕弯的，连早起着牛马上，日子让你穷个绝版的。
part, we do same steps. Hands on. 1, 2, 3, and then we hold the chang with 2 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Again, there's a 2 more steps you have to offer 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, left, right, turn. And then again you exchange. Whenever you exchange, your right hand is up and left down. Don't bend too much. You try to go cross near to your partner. Tashi lani tashi dele shuye. 1, 2, 3. Wang kang, sunshine, semla. And you hold the kada with both hands. Now a little bit down bend. 1, 2. When you do these steps down, just remember that don't try to touch kata on the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then hold kata on left hand, right open, bend. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you hold and you exchange. Okay, now we are doing a third part, last part of the songs. So third part, everything is same like before. One, two, three. In the last part, we don't turn, okay? We do 1, 2, 3, and we do offer 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like the beginning, the first one, okay? This song is divided into 3 parts, no? 3 groups. So first and the last is quite similar, okay? So again, I repeat. When we do hands on, we don't turn. 1, 2. We offer again. Right, offer. We offer left. And we go out, open circle. Not too big inside the circle, remember. 8 times. And then after 8, we do right, left, left, right, turning. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we exchange. Tashi lani tashi dele shuye. Tashi show. We turn, okay? I don't turn here because I have to show the movement, the mudra to the camera. So I don't turn. Usually we turn, okay? 1, 2, 3. So after this, Hold the khaita on your left hand. We do like this, up, not like this. Okay, this is before we did wang tang, but now we do like this. 1, 2. Okay, again. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.